Namaste everyone and welcome to Supergrad Cat. Is MBA even worth it in 2024? This is one of the most frequently asked questions by a lot of students and there is a genuine fear among the student community कि शायद ये सही time नहीं है MBA करने के लिए. And I completely understand and empathize with the student community when they think of the current market news. The market situation is not that great. There is a funding winter when it comes to startups. There have been huge amount of layoffs in the tech industry and others. And in general, even some of the top IIMs have been finding it difficult to place all of their students with some handsome salaries. So given this entire situation, ये एक बहुत बड़ा genuine question हो जाता है कि क्या 2024 में MBA करना even worth it भी है या नहीं? To answer this question, I'll want you to ask one simple question for yourself. Why is it that you are wanting to do your MBA? आपका MBA करने का reason क्या है? For a lot of you, the reason might be that you want to upskill yourself, or you want to diversify into a different role or job, or you want to have better networking opportunities, or you want a better career trajectory when it comes to your long run career. Essentially, what does this all mean? It means that you're trying to become a better version of your own self, and therefore MBA is not an investment in something else, rather it is an investment in your own self. And therefore it is extremely important for you to ask this question कि क्या 2024 सही समय है मुझे अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए? And I'm sure that yes would be the answer. Also understand the timelines. The situation today is not that great, but then this is difficult for people who started their MBA way back in 2022 because it's a 2-year long course. और 2022 में situation इतनी खराब नहीं थी. Can anybody in this world predict the future? Obviously not. And therefore आज जब आप MBA करने का thought दे रहे हैं after appearing in CAT 2023, you are going to pass out in the year 2025. And believe me, the situation can be very different from what it is right now. Similarly, for those who are wanting to appear for CAT 2024, you will be passing out in 2027 and it's a long way apart. The other part is, let's assume that the situation is going to remain the same. Then what is your best bet? Your best bet is to make sure that you're really damn good, and the best way to improve your own self is to invest in a degree like MBA. तो आपकी अपस्किलिंग हो जाएगी, ज़्यादा बेटर नेटवर्किंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेंगी, आपके पास डाइवर्सिफाइड रोल्स के लिए स्किल्स अवेलेबल रहेंगी, डिग्री अवेलेबल रहेगी, एंड नथिंग कैन बीट अ बेटर स्किल्ड पर्सन व्हेन इट कम्स टू डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस इन द जॉब मार्केट. यू मे इवन थिंक ऑफ स्टार्टिंग समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन. सो अगर हम टाइमलाइंस के आगे बढ़कर करंट ग्रेव सिचुएशन को भी थोड़ा नंबर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इवैल्यूएट करें, तो लास्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट मेरा ये है कि व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ दिस ग्रिम सिचुएशन, think of the placement numbers of some of the top B schools. Bangalore recently released the media release where they shared that the median salary for batch of 2024 was 32.5 lakhs per annum. That's a whopping starting salary for somebody who's saying that market situation अच्छा नहीं है. तो Bangalore का ये package है. Even if you look at, let's say, an IIM Rohtak, which is a relatively newer IIM, the average package for the entire batch was 19.27 lakhs per annum. So जब हम इतना कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि सिचुएशन अच्छी नहीं है, देयर हैव बीन हायरिंग फ्रीज, कंप्लीट हायरिंग फ्रीज अक्रॉस सम ऑफ द मेजर कंपनीज, उसके बावजूद अगर स्टार्टिंग सैलरी एवरेज लेवल पे 19.27 लाख पर एनम की है फॉर IIM Rohtak, बिलीव मी, there is no other better opportunity for you to pursue your MBA and make sure that you overcome this difficult situation in the years to come. And the last and very important point is, please understand that your MBA degree is not just for your starting salary or the coming few years. It is going to be an investment for life and beyond. So I think there is no better time than to invest in your own self. That decision is yours. With this, I'll take your leave. Ciao.